Can everyone... Oh. C'est English.
Est-ce que tu es capable de camper pour le marié et la mariée, s'il vous plaît?
Can everybody stand for the bride and the groom, please?
So, bagay la simple. Si nous voulons rentrer, I know you know some people they do understand Creole. Si nous voulons rentrer, faut mettre ambiance. Si pas d'ambiance, yo pas rentrer.
So if you guys want the bride and the groom to come out, please make some noise. The more noise you make, then they'll come out.
So, wonderful morning, people. I'm taking off my mask. I think I can't catch a corona through video. Not saying that I have corona, but beside the point. So, welcome again, people. Welcome back to the channel and thanks for tuning in. As per usual, leave a like on the video. And if it's your first time here, definitely subscribe. So, as usual, I never certain which form I'm there, but that is beside the point. Me and Mr. Richard Brown there, we're going to shoot a wedding. So, I can just make him talk to a little bit about that. Because I know someone know probably, well, none of us are boss to shoot weddings and all them kind of something. So, see me right here, so. So, Mr. Brown. Long time I'm doing something, eh?
Yeah. Let me see how I can summarize everything. I asked one question, but you know, some obvious like we.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Alright, the last wedding I did. Really hard to tell. No remember. But anyway, this is the last. I know, I did one other day, but that don't count. This wedding.
Alright, go through it, yeah.
The first wedding since March. And, no, I lie. I did one last month. At one of the prominent all-inclusive hotel. But it's always refreshing to come to weddings because you don't know. I've been doing it for more than 17 years now. So for the fact that Corona come in and we not do it for as often as how we used to, and then we come do it and now it just feel refreshing for actually do one wedding. It feels nice, you know what I say. Regardless, so we love the movies and it bring out the best in our way, but it's always nice to come to wedding. Yeah, come, you need right up there. You need help, right?
If I can reach it.
Alright, so while I'm there, I catch myself walking off focus good. So yeah, people are introducing us to our next branch of, you know, Richard Brown Films brand. So they are going to take photos of the wedding dress now. So I'm doing the video, Richard Brown will do the photos.
You see me now a movie?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
With Rasta. I'm first we look for.
Okay, him first to see. Yeah. Yeah, man.
One gamble.
Everywhere people recognize Richard Brown actors, you know?
Work.
Yeah.
You know, fit the shoes.
Oh, you want to run the Blinded by Love?
Yes. What's it?
Alright, so what we're doing is we always try to get, you have some photographers who don't like hang up just and get a shot of it, and the reason why them say it look weird to see one just hang up in a one tree just so, but for me, you want to see the whole entirety of the dress and how beautiful it is, especially if your bride spend one whole heap of money. You don't just want to see it banner, you want to see it hang up, say yo, spend some money and you want to see it look good. So we always like to get a established shot of it to help tell the wedding story, you know what I mean? Not just the ceremony, but everything that comes along with it, you see me? So we hang it up, try to get one like an artistic shot of it, you see me? Yeah.
So people, someone that works here said the pool was on fire earlier because he must make some mistake and put thinner in the pool instead of acid. So yeah, we have to take a break now because bridegroom, everybody I get together. The thing is, weddings don't always start late. Most of the things when I come in always start late. So, meanwhile, everybody actually, I'm just going to have you at the place. I think I'm somewhere in a fall, but they are chilling and whatnot. We're just going to take a look at the scenery though.
Get some gas here.
Thank you.
You don't normally touch it without permission.
You get a couple of pills on.
Come right around here. Alright, ready. Hot like fire.
You're not through setting up as yet, so my job as well is to capture everything here before and after and during. So that's the job of the videographer, or a part of the job of the videographer. So these are their little decoration. As I said, I show them the place. So if you're watching and you try to find a nice place to get married, probably this is your forte. I think over here is really nice. And probably come here to take photos. Photographer still setting up is happening over there. I don't know what's happening under here. Probably nothing. But this is where the ceremony is at. Very beautiful. And two persons, while they get serious about relationship, tie the bond forever, they'll be standing here. Yeah. So, as I said, I bring on all that. So the ceremony just got done with, and now they're taking photos. Richie and... You know that brother there? When I'm married, when I find somebody I'm married. So bro, you have any experience here? Well, obviously you know since I not say video.
I have very experience in this whole scenario. It has been years since
it has been years. Okay, sir. We not do it yet too, that's what's going on. But yeah, so the ceremony is finished. Getting photos now. I'm showing some little clips at the ceremony. So you know the whole cinematography thing. So yeah. So from here, after the photos, then the reception, and then we bag everything and just get out.
Yeah, actually question. Find the camera for yourself with me question.
I say one question, man.
Yes,
Come in.
It has been a long time since you film a wedding. What is the yourself, man?
Well,
It's been a long time since you film a wedding.
Since me film a wedding?
Yes, so how does it feel?
I feel monotonous.
Like the same thing over and over?
Yeah.
I know funny enough for me, never feel the same. Every wedding is different.
Sometimes me imagine myself, but not very often though.
No, it feels different, and the reason why it feels different because every wedding party, every bride, everybody comes with different, not the right word, right word. Different personality. Everybody has different personality, so it's just different. Sometimes, and different people look different too, so it's just different. And
when
location is different.
When I say monotonous, you know, I mean like the whole vows, past,
So what?
like everything just seems
Life
monotonous.
itself is monotonous.
But that not take friend. It's say, would I do all of this? I would do all of this. I would. Yeah. Me actually, me have somebody in mind. Somebody in mind, man. You know nobody in mind.
Come on, you talk about man.
Yes,
Of course.
yes, well.
You don't know. Time will tell. And time is the
Ask
master.
him in the comments then how I go on.
She went to the bathroom.
So yeah, it's all fun, can be tiring and exhausting, but still fun nonetheless. And yeah, this is it. Richard Brown Uncle film movies, film weddings, and there's a whole story and history where that is concerned. And as you know, me the camera guy, I just do this for all of the love of video, capturing memories. Yeah. So as I say, from here, reception, then we bag it and go. I don't know what else I can show until then, but little more and big up yourself. Don't forget, subscribe and like the video. And you guys help me by sharing the content on your Instagram, your Facebook, your WhatsApp, whatever. We over so very grateful for it. 6K plus subscribers in counting. Later.
I fall into that category.
Oh, well, good for you. Good for you.
Yeah. And if my wife say anything different, we had to tie up.
She made sure to marry you. She made sure to marry you. Because it's all good thing that she never wanted to leave it.